Hello everyone and welcome back to Magnolia. Today we have a very special video planned for all of you. So unlike our normal live cop and sneaker review tutorials, today we have a bot review. So Ryan just got a hold of this new bot called Sigma. It is doing amazing on restocks. It's a restock killer. It's very limited. There's less than 100 people in the Discord right now. So obviously we're very thrilled to show you this bot as not many people are able to experience it. A little background on this bot. It's a fairly new bot but has a monitor system similar to Dragon AIO, which you guys might know is a $20,000 bot, where it monitors a list of SKUs that you input, and then when it picks those products up on the foot sites, it'll start your task, it'll run them and check them out. It's a very unique bot, unlike pretty much all other foot site bots, so it's going to be a really good video and we hope you guys enjoy. So without further ado, let's give it over to Ryan.
Sigma has 5 basic tabs: settings, stats, proxies, profiles, and foot sites. I'll start off by explaining foot sites. So on top left, they have Discord webhooks. They have success webhook, which a whole bunch should have. There sends that. And then optional webhook, which I really like. I know a couple other bots have them as well. It's really good for keeping track of, I guess, like payment declines and preventing spam clutter. As well as that, they send notifications for when restock groups start. I'll get into that in a bit. Cat Monster, I have my API key in there and I have everything checked. It just makes things easier. CAPTCHA and checkout CAPTCHA, I don't put a proxy in because I'm gonna be running Cat Monster at the same time. And then fast checkout, I keep both enabled. So for learning's sake, I went ahead and made a footlooker task group here for you guys. It's important to note with Sigma that when you're gonna run it, you're really only gonna have to make task groups for initial. Otherwise, the restocks tab is going to go ahead and create and destroy tasks as you need when products restock and stop restocking. So in this task group, I have footlocker, random SKU, random size, proxies, ISP, and 250 tasks, as well as my personal profile group. You also have to be mindful that when you make an edit or create a new group, you're gonna have this yellow box. So I changed to 251 tasks just as an example here. You're gonna click this button here so everything saves and is all good. I'll go ahead and start here, but the product is gonna get 429 add to cart because it's not live and can't buy it. You see that? There it is. And now I'll switch to overview tab. You can see how it has a lot of features over here actually. I have InQ off. You can choose what you want to see in this circle. And I usually have carting off, everything off, so I can just see checking out and checked out, as well as checkout failed. You know, I don't really like seeing that. You can sort by site, whatever you want. It's just a really, really cool, intuitive feature. My favorite Sigma feature has to be the stats page. As you can see here, you can switch between day, week, month, and year. I've only had Sigma around like 10 days or so, and it's been doing pretty well for me. You can see 226 checkouts, 35,000 spent. Use the stats page, pretty basic, good for like, I guess, posting success. And then you also have the orders page, which is probably the best feature they have in here. You can see what's canceled, processing, what's shipped. You can see the tracking number. It's really great. So the way Sigma actually runs is really cool. They have a task tab, overview tab, and restocks tab. I'll start with the restocks tab because that's really where the magic happens. In this tab, you have multiple groups, however many you want. I have one for random size and one for size specific. So you choose size, proxy list, and then choose the amount of tests. You don't actually have to choose the amount of like profiles, proxies, whatever. It's all done for you and it creates a task as it picks up products. You choose profiles, you can choose groups, choose specific, whatever you want. And then you always keep the activate ? Button checked, because that just means whenever it picks up a product, it'll like get going. I hope that was helpful and you guys learned something. Without further ado, let's get into some live cops with Sigma.
So that pretty much wraps it up for that video. We really hope you enjoyed. This is an awesome opportunity, and we're so happy that we were able to record it, able to document it with the live cops and with the tutorials. So I really hope that a lot of you guys can get Sigma in the future and that you will find this video helpful when creating tasks. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.